21. In the photograph above, the technician Isa. Removing the fuel filter. B. Installing a fuel filter. C. Removing a fuel line. D. Checking fuel pressure. 22. The voltage value at which a Zirconia oxygen sensor switches from rich to lean or from lean to rich Isa. 0.5 V, 500 millivolts. B. 0.25 V, 250 millivolts. C. 0.9 V, 900 millivolts. D. 0.45 V, 450 millivolts. 23. One of the best ways to find a vacuum leak on a speed-density fuel injection system is to read the intake air controller, IAC, count or percentage, with a scan tool. Normal IAC percentage is usually 15 to 25. A reading of less than indicates a vacuum leak. A. 15B. 25C. 10D. 524. All of these are basic computer functions except a. Processing. B. Writing. C. Input. D. Output. 25. Two technicians are discussing the intake air temperature, IAT, sensor. Technician says that the computer uses the IAT sensor as a backup to the engine coolant temperature, ECT, sensor. Technician B says that the powertrain control module, PCM, will subtract the calculated amount of fuel if the air measures hot. Who is correct? A. Technician BB. Both technicians A and BC. Technician AD. Neither technician A nor B. 26. When checking fuel pump pressure, which of these steps is most likely done first? A. Releasing the fuel pressure. Connecting the fuel pressure gauge. Removing the fuel pump fused. Looking up OEM procedure. 27. If the voltage output of a digital manifold absolute pressure, MAP sensor is 2 volts, the approximate engine vacuum is _inches Hg. A. 10B. 5C. 0.0D. 15.
Is this the same test?
21. In the photograph above, the technician Isa. Removing the fuel filter. B. Installing a fuel filter. C. Removing a fuel line. D. Checking fuel pressure. Sir Sam's exam.
Okay. Sent.
Thank you so much, sir. Would you like to continue tomorrow?
Yes, but if you have any more question for this exam, please forward and I will work on them later.
No, for now that's all for exam 703527RR.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.